Before sunrise, at Tsunul Reserve, a collared forest falcon calls to its mate from the cave above the cenote. The call crosses the recovering canopy and lands somewhere in your chest, a clear, laughing sound that makes you smile before you are fully awake. 10 years ago, this was a dead cattle ranch. Compacted red soil. No canopy. No wildlife. Nothing nesting in the That call is the restoration reporting itself. The Planet Healer's path begins not with a degree and not with a plan. It begins with a feeling that arrives and does not leave the grief of what is being lost, or the love of what still exists, or the growing sense that the most meaningful thing you could do with your life is help the living world recover. That feeling is not sentiment. It is the first step of a practice. The next step is learning to read the land you are standing in. To look at a degraded field and understand what happened to it. To hold the soil and feel the difference between compacted clay and recovering biology. And then, you begin. You plant trees. You run soil tests. You set up monitoring. You make mistakes and try again. This is where knowledge moves from the head to the hands. The Planet Healer's path gives you both the ecological literacy and the field practice, rooted in 30 years of real restoration work, taught with rigor and with care. Here is what changes everything. Stage 4 is not just about passing on information. It is about transmitting quality, the kind of field knowledge that can only be learned through doing it well. On real land, with someone who has done it for decades, showing you exactly why it matters. Every person who learns this and teaches it to 10 others with that same rigor, that same care, that same attention to getting it right, has already multiplied the restoration 10 times over. Community-led restoration is not a shortcut. It is the most powerful long-term strategy we have. Because when a community understands why they are doing what they are doing, when the knowledge lives in their hands and not just in a manual, the work continues. Long after any single teacher or program has moved on. That is what the Planet Healer's path is built to do. Not to create dependence, but to create people who can go home and lead. Stage 5 is the long view. Creating an institution, a reserve, a body of documented knowledge, something that continues after you. It begins the same way every time, with one person walking a piece of degraded land and deciding to stay. This is what Tsunul Reserve is. 30 years of staying. 30 years of proof. Wherever you are on this path, there is a next step.